Dumela, welcome back to Tswana class. Today we are going to talk about driving. Yes, driving. So on this special day, my wife have decided to drive, and I thought to myself, wow, I have gotten used to driving in the USA, and I totally forgot how roads are really different in Botswana. Not only the quality of the road, but how the road is set up. You see, in the USA, you are driving on the left side of the car and on the right side of the road. Whereas in Botswana, you are driving on the left side of the car and on the right side of the car rather, and on the left side of the road. So I find myself struggling when I get to Botswana, and I tend to drive on the opposite side. Not only that put me at risk, but it also put other motorists at risk. And I thought this is something that if you're coming from countries, particularly those who drive on the right side of on the left side of the car and on the right side of the road, you might find yourself having to deal with that. So please take care on the road, but don't worry if you make such mistakes and there is no fatal or accident. People in Botswana are so forgiving, and I always feel nervous when I come from Botswana, and I have gotten used to driving in Botswana, and I'd make the same mistakes in America. I find people in the USA could not be so forgiving. A quick lesson. To drive is go kgweetsa. That's all for today. Go fetela re kopana gape mo nakong e tlang. Go siame. Salang sentle. Until we meet again next time, goodbye. If you are here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel.